Welcome to my channel Mathsma, and I'm Asma explaining to you. And today in this video I'm going to solve for you part 1 of question 2 of the exercise 5.1 of the chapter 5 called Exponents of the class 7 Cambridge Mathematics textbook called Mathsma 7. The prime factors of 8 and 27 will be needed in solving this question. Expressing minus 8 over 27 as a power notation. If you are not understanding any step in this lecture, then I am attaching the link of the PDF file of the written description of this lecture in the description box below and also in the pinned comment below. You can look for the detailed description of the step in this lecture that you are confused with in this written description. Or you can also ask me your confusions in the comments below or email me at anatomy.sarah@gmail.com. Subscribe my channel because the videos in my channel provide you with the lectures of the solves of the math questions of different Excel and Cambridge School Mathematics textbooks from class 1 to A levels of updated syllabus. Click the bell icon to get regular updates on such lectures. And share this video to help me reach out more mathematics students in need in the world. Thanks a lot for watching this video.